So do you want to add more customization and change the appearance of your Facebook? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to enable Facebook dark mode. Sign into your Facebook account. Once signed in, you want to come to the top right corner of your screen and you will see your account. Click on your account drop down and you want to come to this section where it says settings and privacy. Click on settings and privacy and now click on settings. Once on the settings and privacy page, you want to come to this section where it says preferences, and under preferences you're going to see dark mode. Click on dark mode, and on the dark mode page you'll see the option to turn it off and on. Click here. You're going to see three options. You can leave it off, turn it on, and then automatic. The automatic works if your system supports dark mode. When you have dark mode enabled on your computer, Facebook is going to be loaded as dark mode. So to turn on the Facebook dark mode, click on, and this will automatically change your appearance to dark mode. So thank you guys for watching this video on how to enable Facebook dark mode, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you do find this video helpful, like this video, subscribe to this channel, and have your post notification turned on. I hope to see you guys in my next video.